All right, so this is the first project that we will create. This is a simple static website. Uh, I will use this static website to upload or to showcase all my projects in the future. So the tech stack that we will be using is an S3 bucket, a Cloudfront for CDN, certificate manager to generate our SSL certificate, and Route 53 to use our custom domain. So let's start. All right, so I've already created and uploaded the files on an S3 bucket, and then we will just click on upload. Okay, so this would take a few minutes. I'll just pause the video and that's done. And now we will go to Cloudfront to create our distribution. All right, we will create a distribution. For the origin domain, we will choose the bucket that we just created with the web files uploaded on it. We will enable origin access control settings, create new OAC. So we need to update the S3 bucket policy, and CloudFront will provide us with the policy statement later once we are done creating the distribution. So this restrict the S3 so that it can only be accessed by the CloudFront. The S3 bucket, I mean. We just scroll down. The viewer protocol policy, we will choose to redirect HTTP to HTTPS since we are going to create a SSL certificate in a bit here. For the caching policy, we'll just choose the caching optimized. Additional settings. We will not use web application firewall for now. Price class, we will use the best performance. Use all edge location best performance. Since we are using a custom domain name, I will put it in here if I just type it correctly. And then we will create a custom SSL certificate. So we'll click on request certificate. It will pull up the certificate manager. Click on next. Type in our fully qualified domain name. Choose the DNS validation since this domain is already being managed at Route 53. It's so much easier. Click on create. Just refresh it. Click on the certificate ID. Click on create records. And there we go. All right. Let's just refresh this. Pending validation. All right, it's now issued. Close it out. Click on the refresh. All right, security policy, just choose the recommended. Default root object. So it will be the index.html. Everything is set to default. Create distribution. Okay, we'll just copy the policy. Go to the S3 bucket, permission, edit bucket policy, save it. Okay, the status is enabled and it is deploying. All right. It has been deployed. Click on the distribution. We'll test it out. All right. So this will be my landing page, and I will put every or all of the projects that I will create in the future here. I created, or I just downloaded this template. This is a free template. I forgot the name, and I just edited it to my likings. Now with that done, let's go to Route 53, hosted zone. Then we will create a new record. We'll click on a record alias, route traffic to a Cloudfront distribution, simple routing, and create it. So record for AWS record was successfully created. Use view status button. All right, view status. So the status is pending. I'll just pause the video and then, oh, okay, it's syncing. No, I'll just pause it and we'll get back once it's all done. My bad. I think, yeah, in sync is the status that we are waiting for. All right, so we'll just type in our custom domain. There we go. We have a live static website. All my future projects will be featured here. And this is just the first, or yeah, this is just the first iteration of this website. We will have more or I will modify this website in the future. I will use other automated tools, CI/CD tools in the future. I still need to learn those, and yeah, that's it for now. Thank you.